So today from Thai Hoa in the mountains, it's time to get back to the beach side and continue to Vinh. I've been looking at some places to go to, and in this province there's not much to see. All kinds of uninteresting attractions. So the beach place seems like the only interesting place on the way to Vinh to go and see, and Vinh City itself should be pretty interesting. So I just finished packing and head out. It's after 7 o'clock already and it's time to leave. Yeah, so I'm really debating whether I should go to the beach area this way or should I go in the mountain area, which should be a lot nicer but makes it a lot longer, and just go around and eventually get to Vinh from around. It will make it a lot longer, but I really like the mountains, so I'm really debating what to do. So I eventually did go back to the beach area, to the coast area, instead of the mountains. I mean, you can't see everything, and I do want to see most of the coast actually, and all I have left of the coast of Vietnam is from here to Dong Hoi or from here to Hue, which I haven't done yet, and I want to do it. So I'll do the mountains in this area in a different trip, and there's always or I hope there's always another time. And in the meantime, planting the rice. Oh, I saw those people sitting in the trash. They asked me to come and join. Xin chào. Ouais. Oh, xin cảm ơn. Làm gì ở đâu?
Cà phê.
Cà phê.
Thuốc lào.
Và hút thuốc lào.
Thuốc lào. Làm bí thuốc lào.
Xin lỗi nhưng
Làm bí thuốc lào không?
Tôi không hút.
Vậy thì cà phê nhá.
Cà phê tại sao không? Tôi không hút, không tôi cho tôi.
Rồi, ok. Cân cha.
Can gì? And so we sat down for a while. They smoked, I drank my coffee, we tried to communicate, we were laughing a lot. They even introduced me to their family, and then I left and drove to the beach. Okay, so here I am at the beach again. Still dirty, but very deserted and beautiful. Especially those rocks over there. Maybe I should go there. Shit, I parked the motorbike, but the land was not steady, and this is what happened. God damn it. I don't think there was a lot more damage, but have to go fix it. Here, that's why that is why. Yeah, so the motorbike fell, and well, luckily only a mirror broke. I hope I didn't check it, but that sure is fucked up a little bit. Have to be more careful, but still, hey, this is nice here. Beautiful. I was talking to myself in high speed, so nothing couldn't hear anything. Anyways, I was saying it's very nice to have the beach all for myself now, since it's not the season, and I'm wasting way too much time here playing games with the drone, with the camera. It's nice, I'm not in a hurry to go anywhere, and the beach is so nice, all by myself here. Beautiful. So why not? Got away from the beach for a while. I still want to get ahead a little bit. And there's another beach a little bit closer to Vinh. It's called Cua Lo beach. Cua Lo. And I think I'll go there. It will go through the mountains a little bit on the ocean. And I'll do that before I head to Vinh. So I'm back on the highway. I don't really like it, but it's the best way to get quickly to Cua Lo beach, which that's where I'm headed now. Problem is, it's not a real highway. All of Vietnam, you have always people jumping in the road from side streets, not even looking. Crazy trucks driving like crazy, thinking that the road belongs to them. Trucks, buses, people driving against traffic, and on top of it all, now my mirror is broken and I'm looking for a place to replace it. So I hope I find something. In the meantime, nothing, but soon, I hope. That is a big Buddha. And they have flowers here, so people take photos. From first look, looks like another touristic place like Samsung. They took a nice beach and destroyed it. The beach I was before, nice pristine beach, was a lot nicer. It just looks like another touristic place. if there's anything better than this. So I drove a little bit to the north, not much. There is the city, lots of big hotels, but it looks deserted. It's probably not the season now, way too cold. Over there, this cliff over here, and yeah, nice, but I'm not gonna spend too much time here. Maybe in the season it's full of people. By the way, if you ever wondered where do all those small sand balls that you see on the beach come from, well, I found the culprit. Yeah, burning the leaves. The cleaning ladies collect them and then burn them. I don't know how many times I talked about it. Nobody seems to give a f***. And the air pollution is through the roof. Here, look at that. That's fucking high. Same practice here. No fucking awareness. Nothing. And nobody tells them anything. Horrible. Oh, God damn. I lost the lens cap of the camera again. Who knows where it is now? I don't know. I have no idea. Fuck. It's not. I think last time I used it was next to the cliff. I was filming the crabs. Now who knows how I'm gonna find it? Well, God damn it! I'll drive all the way there. That's pretty far. And who even knows where it is, but that's last place I used the camera, and so I had to drive back there again. So this is the second time that it happened to me. The first time was yesterday, and the second time today, which I had to drive 4 kilometers back to find this, which is the lens cover for my camera, and luckily it was here. This is the end of part 1. In part 2, I arrive at Vinh City in the afternoon, and we will go exploring the city in what remains of the day and in the morning after. If you want to keep following my road trip down south, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.